Want to show a list in your iOS app the right way? I'll show you how to build a table view in under few minutes. No fluff, just working steps. Hi, I am Surbhi from Apptechies. I build iOS apps every day. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through a real example. And by the end, you will have a working table view and know how to fix the usual problems. Let's begin with part 1. That is, why table views and some common pain points. Table views are the backbone of lists in iOS. We use them for menus, item lists, chat history, anything with rows. Beginners often get stuck with outlets, cell reuse, and UI updates on the wrong thread. I'll show you each step and where people usually trip up. Plan for the demo. We will create a new project, add a table view, show a list of items, and handle tabs. So let's begin. We'll create a new project and give its name as table view practice. Now we'll open the main storyboard. Take a view. Give its constraints. And its height. We will set the constraints so that it doesn't cover the super view. We will give it from the safe area. Update it and mark it as 0. Give it a color so that you can differentiate it, or you may clear that color. We'll take it as this and clear the background color. Now take a label to specify it. Give its constraints as center horizontally and vertically in container. And we will give it as table view practice. Increase its size according to your design. Now we will take the table view. Give its constraints as 20, 20, 20 and 20. Now we'll clear the background of the table view. Next is we'll create a view controller for this and give its name copy its name, put it in its class and its storyboard ID. Now we will connect the outlets of the table view. Now set the table view's data source and delegate to the view controller either in the storyboard or we can do it programmatically. Now next is we have to implement the data source. Now add the data array and implement the UITableView data source. This is the core and it will contain number of rows in section and cell for row and these are mandatory things. We will make extension. Now it will automatically pick number of rows and cell for row. For example, you want to return the items as 10 and for cell we have to make a cell now. Now we will again create a new file from template and here you will select subclass as UITableView cell and give it a unique name as and we will also create a zip file so that we can reuse it anywhere in the screen. Now we will create the design of the zip file. I am creating just a simple design for your reference. Take a view, give its constraints as 0, 10, 10 and 10. Now giving the label according to your design, you can design this cell. We will give the, suppose we can give here the date. Today is 17th, so 17th. You can also style this. We can give it semi-bold and increase or decrease its size. We have given 16. Now again label. Give here time as it's 5:54 p.m. You can also give its style as semi-bold and decrease its size. Now we will give this label leading and trailing as 20 and from bottom also 20. But it's creating an issue, so we will give from top 20. It becomes red, so this label will be changed as it's constant. We will change it as greater than or equal to so that it will depend upon your data. So I have data here. I will write XYZ something and increase the number of lines. You can add more data, so you can see it's giving and changing to lines. Now we'll register this cell into our view controller and we will do it as table view dot register, then UI nib name and its bundle will be as nil, and here also we will write the nib name and our nib name is, suppose this table view. So now here also in the cell for row add we will write let cell equal to table view dot dq reusable cell, and we will do it with identifier. In the identifier, we will write the cell name for index path as again the cell name, and we will return the cell. So it's a just sample demo. Now we will run it. Let's see how it looks. And there are two quick notes. Firstly, make sure the reuse identifier matches, and secondly, avoid creating new cells all the time. Use DQ reusable cell that keeps the scrolling smooth. It's taking some time to run. So it looks like this. Now we will stop its selection because we don't have any other screen, but on its did select you can open another screen. So we will stop its selection. Click on the table view. Firstly, make the separator as none and then the selection as no selection. Now again we will run it. You can run on a simulator or a real device. So it's running smoothly. Scroll is working fine. So this is the demo for the table view, how to use the table view. And there are some common issues and its solutions how to fix. Like if the table view is empty, firstly you need to check your data source is set or not. And if the app crashes at launch, then check the storyboard outlets are connected or not. And if cell shows old images or wrong text, make sure you set all UI elements every time the cell is reused. And if the UI freezes on network calls, move network off the main thread and update UI on the main thread. If this helped you out, like and subscribe for more iOS tips. If you are building an app and need help, we at Apptechies can take it further. I am Surbhi, happy coding.